No, that's not a top fuel dragster running back there. That's my lawnmower. You want to go see what happened to it this time? Well, I was mowing, and you know, I've said before, this lawnmower has a schedule. It has sort of a timetable of when it's going to crap out on me. So usually it's about the time I get 3/4 of the yard done, but somehow or another I got all of it done this time. But I had my headphones on. I mow with my headphones, my little noise canceling headphones, and I got kind of over here, you know, did around the front and then around the side, and then I come this way and come around and we'll do this and go back up and finish the last. And I'm about over here, like, yeah, this thing sure sounds a little loud, doesn't it? It's okay. Maybe it's just me. Maybe my headphones aren't on all the way. So, really, when I run this thing enough, I know when it's too loud. And it's too loud, so you hear how loud it is. So I went up and finally I stopped up at the road up there and got off and looked at it. And here's what happened. You'll notice I'll burn the heck out of myself if I try to touch this, but ow. That's just hanging there. It's no longer attached to the engine. So the bolts, I hope the bolts both just backed out. One of them was still hanging off here. It's one of these star head things, I guess. And it doesn't look broken, but the other one's MIA, I guess. So anyway, that's that, and I guess there's a tab under here that hangs off the cylinder head up in there. It's got a bolt in it for the lower valve. I guess that's a lower, no, that's a separate thing. I was thinking that was a lower valve cover bolt, but it's not. So it's hanging by that, but that's it. And so, okay, that was that. That was enough for me. Well, went to engage the deck again, and the belt has come off the deck. But that's okay. I could get another day belt, no big deal. This thing actually turned itself inside out. Last time I mowed, so I flipped it back over and tried to run it, and it ain't having it. So it's too stretched. So anyway, this thing is biting itself to the end here. I guess today's shopping list is going to be a gasket, and I might just go ahead and see if the bolts are available. I got a bolt box in there, but that thing's impossible to dig through. I hate digging through that thing. And a belt. So anyway, okay, well, that's this week's installment of what will break on an old cheap riding mower. Never know, do you? See you guys.